In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fixed assets in Xero. Fixed assets are the long-term items your business owns and uses to operate, like computers, vehicles, or machinery. Recording them properly in Xero keeps your balance sheet accurate and ensures depreciation is calculated the right way over time. Let's walk through the process clearly and confidently. First, head to Xero.com and sign into your account. If you have access to more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. You'll need the appropriate user permissions to work with fixed assets. So if you can't see the options I mentioned, check with your account administrator. From the main dashboard, open the accounting menu. In that menu, select fixed assets. This takes you to the assets area where you can view what's already on the register and add new items. Next, choose New Asset. This opens a form for a single asset entry, which is perfect when you're adding one item at a time rather than importing a list. Now enter the asset details. Give the asset a clear, consistent name so it's easy to recognize later. Add a description that captures the model, purpose, or any identifying information. Enter the purchase price exactly as it appears on the supplier invoice, and set the purchase date to the date on that invoice or the date you started using the asset, depending on your accounting policy. If you have fields for things like an asset number, serial number, supplier reference, or a category, use them to keep records tidy and searchable. Select the correct asset account from your chart of accounts so the cost lands in the right place on your balance sheet. If your setup includes expense or tracking categories, choose those as well for accurate reporting. Whenever possible, attach a copy of the invoice to the asset record so everything you need is stored together. You can also enter book depreciation settings. Choose a depreciation method, such as straight line or diminishing value, based on your accountant's guidance. Specify the useful life or the annual rate. Set the depreciation start date, often the purchase or in-service date, and add a residual value if you expect one at the end of its life. Confirm the linked accounts for accumulated depreciation and depreciation expense match your chart of accounts. Once everything looks correct, click Register. This saves the asset to your register and marks it ready for depreciation in future periods. Give your entries a final review before registering. Small details like dates, amounts, and selected accounts make a big difference to accurate reporting. And that's it. Your fixed asset is now added and organized in Xero, ready to flow through your financials.